A dove symbolizes peace, love, and hope. Follow along and create this dove with me. If you like this video or find it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. The supplies you'll need are a paper plate, eyes, glue stick, pencil, scissors, and some green paper. The first step is to make a wing. First, draw a teardrop and cut it out. Now make the second wing. The next step is to draw and cut out the shape of the dove's body. Next, assemble the dove by gluing the wings and the eyes. The last step is to make an olive branch. And this is the finished product. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.